Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change your Windows XP display language. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu and select Control Panel. On the right side, you want to select the Date, Time, Language, and Regional options. If you don't see that, you may have to unswitch from Classic View and go to Category View. So go ahead and select the date, time, language, and regional options. And select regional and language options. Select the languages tab and then select details button. Select the add button here. Now select a different input language if you choose to do so. And whatever language you want, that's fine. And then the keyboard layout as well, go ahead and select that from the list here. And then you would select OK and then OK again. Apply and OK. And if you needed to switch between the languages, you go down the system taskbar here. You can see it says the current language being selected, so there's going to be an abbreviation here. You can just left click on that and switch between a different language from down here. So pretty straightforward process. If we went back into the regional language options as well, and you went back to languages and then details, you can remove a language from here as well. You just select the remove button and then you won't have that option down there anymore because you should only have one language installed on your computer. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.